Welcome to my channel Speedline Auto, where power meets precision and design meets desire. Today, we're diving into something that's turning heads across the globe, the 2026 Volvo XC60. This isn't just another luxury SUV. This is the moment Volvo decided to rewrite the rulebook. If you thought Volvo was all about safety and simplicity, get ready to have your mind blown, because the 2026 XC60 just changed the game. And you won't believe what's inside. From the moment you see it, the new XC60 radiates a bold confidence. The signature Thor's hammer LED lights have evolved into sleeker, sharper forms that pulse with life when you approach. The grille has been completely redefined, smoother, aerodynamic, and illuminated by a subtle glow that feels futuristic without being flashy. The sculpted body lines blend elegance with muscle, giving it a commanding stance that says, "I'm here, and I'm not playing around." But let's talk about what truly makes this XC60 revolutionary: the cabin. Step inside, and you're greeted by what feels less like a car interior and more like a Scandinavian sanctuary. Volvo has mastered the art of minimalism. Using sustainable materials like recycled aluminum, responsibly sourced wood, and plant-based leather. The panoramic roof floods the cabin with light, while the next-gen ambient lighting system adjusts automatically to your mood and time of day. At the heart of it all is Volvo's new SmartSense AI system, powered by NVIDIA. It learns your habits, your preferred temperature, favorite playlists, even how you like your seat positioned before you sit down. The massive 15-inch vertical display is powered by the latest Google built-in interface, with ultra-smooth performance and instant voice command response. You simply say, "Hey Volvo," and it listens like your personal assistant on wheels, performance-wise. The 2026 XC60 pushes boundaries. It's offered with Volvo's all-new hybrid and fully electric powertrains, delivering instant torque, buttery smooth acceleration, and whisper-quiet cruising. The electric version can sprint from 0 to 60 in under 5 seconds, while maintaining a range that rivals top-tier EVs. Volvo's new adaptive suspension makes every drive silky yet controlled. Whether you're gliding through city streets or carving up mountain roads, and of course, it wouldn't be a Volvo without class-leading safety. The XC60's Pilot Assist 2.0 can now handle lane changes, read traffic signals, and even predict hazards using LiDAR sensors integrated discreetly around the car. It's like having a second brain working with you, not against you. In short, this SUV is a perfect blend of intelligence, sustainability, and pure Scandinavian luxury. Volvo didn't just improve the XC60, they transformed it into something futuristic, something emotional, something alive. So if you've ever thought Volvo was a brand that played it safe, think again. The 2026 XC60 proves that safety, style, and speed can coexist in perfect harmony. Thanks for watching. If you loved this first look, smash that like button, subscribe to Speedline Auto, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next big reveal. Tell me in the comments, is this the smartest SUV of 2026? Because honestly, it might just be.